My name is Nwa Abdulla, and I'm an international studies student at AUIS. Even though my major is mostly related to political science, I am deeply infatuated and fascinated by arts, philosophy, and poetry. In 2023, a professor of mine reached out to me about a research project related to the studies of security in relation to political science. Even though publishing your work is highly competitive and hectic, especially as an undergraduate in the academic world, I decided to apply. To my surprise, all three of my poems were published by the name of Three Poems Speaking of Familiar Violence in the December 2023 issue of the Critical Studies on Security by the academic publishing house called Taylor & Francis. This motivates me to write more poetry related to political matters which are significant to me. Fortunately, I have written poems about matters like violence, the absence of security, and misogyny. Combining arts and creativity is one of my hobbies. And fortunately, I have written poems related to violence, the absence of security, and misogyny.